Every roofer or manufacturer that walks through your door is going to sell you plastic single plies or coatings. If you have more than 5 years of experience with these products, you know that you still have roof leaks. You know these roofs require maintenance, and you know that when you call the roofer or the manufacturer, they point fingers, make excuses, and they don't come out to solve your roof leaks. WeatherWeld was invented more than 4 decades ago, and it was designed to be the strongest roof ever created while making roofs like a bathtub, one seamless encapsulated piece from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain. The reason we were forced to go back to the drawing board when WeatherWeld was invented was because we saw the writing on the wall with disposable roofs, and we had to create a long-term solution to keep our customers dry. The same technology that worked back then is the same technology that works now with a track record to back it up. If you're struggling with roof leaks and products that you've installed that aren't living up to the expectations, the marketing hype, or the manufacturers are not honoring their warranties or providing excellent service, give us a call. We'll come out and inspect your roof. We'll do a demo of WeatherWeld so you can see for yourself what makes WeatherWeld a unique and permanent solution. We'll put together a no-obligation roof report detailing the condition of your roof, what your roof needs to become watertight, including a budget that's going to allow you to plan for the future. Once you get WeatherWeld installed, you're going to understand the difference between WeatherWeld and everything else. And you're going to understand the difference between disposable roofs versus a better solution, a roof that's designed to last for the lifetime of your buildings.